Looking to add a fresh twist to your Telegram profile? Maybe you want to show off your personality with a collection of great photos, or just switch things up depending on your mood. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add multiple photos to your Telegram profile using the desktop app or the web version. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set and manage a whole gallery of profile pictures, so people get to see all your best sides, literally. Let's dive right in. Start by opening up either the Telegram desktop application on your computer, or if you prefer, you can log into Telegram web using any browser. Both ways work almost identically for this, so just pick the one that feels most convenient for you. Now, to access your profile settings, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. This icon usually looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, the so-called hamburger menu. Go ahead and click that, and then click on your current profile picture or your name. That'll take you straight into your profile settings area. If you're on the web version, you'll follow a very similar process. Just navigate until you see your profile picture or your name and give that a click. Once you're in your profile settings, you'll see your current profile photo if you have one set, or maybe just a placeholder icon if you've never uploaded before. Click on this photo or icon. You'll get the option to either upload photo or set profile photo. The exact wording might look a little different depending on your version, but the meaning is the same. Here comes the fun part. When you choose Upload Photo, a window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer for the image you want to use. Take your time here and pick a picture that you feel represents you well. Maybe you want a nice professional headshot for work groups or something fun and relaxed for friends and family. Once you've picked your photo, you'll see tools for cropping, rotating, or repositioning the image. Don't skip this. Taking a moment to line up your picture so your face is centered or cropping out any awkward background can make a big difference in how your profile looks. When you're happy with the way it looks, go ahead and confirm the upload. Now, the really cool part about Telegram is that you're not limited to just one profile photo. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. Every time you upload a new picture, it becomes your main profile photo, the one everyone sees at first glance. But what happens to your old photos? Telegram automatically saves them, building a little photo history right in your profile. Think of it like flipping through the pages of an album. You can update the cover photo as often as you like, knowing that your older pictures are still there whenever you want to revisit them. If you or anyone else want to see all your profile photos, just click on your current profile image and then use the left or right arrows to browse through your history. This is great if you want to share a series of looks, fun moments, or simply don't want to say goodbye to your favorite old pictures. And there you have it, adding multiple profile photos on Telegram couldn't be easier. Just keep repeating the upload steps for each new picture and let Telegram handle the rest. If the process takes a few moments to get used to, don't worry, that's totally normal. You'll be managing your photo gallery like a pro in no time. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, leave any questions or suggestions down in the comments. I always love hearing from you, and of course, subscribe for more easy and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and have fun personalizing your Telegram profile.